Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an HP EliteBook 850 G5 computer. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down the computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. After removing all the screws seen here, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case less than a metal one will. We're going to go across the seam all the way around and pry the bottom case off from the rest of the computer. Now it's generally best to start in the back near one of the two corners. Don't go too far in with the pry tool. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go slow but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, just leave it. Start on the other side and go the other way. After you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything when you're working on your computer. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, there will be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, and I will also include in that list all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the 850 G5. Now, before I touch anything in a computer, I always either remove or at least unplug my battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. Now, here's your battery right down here. This battery has 4 screws. Each one will have a little white arrow or triangle next to the M2.5 notation. So you have the one here, 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 and here. And the battery plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, this goes for any cables or wires in a computer. Try not to pull on the actual wires if at all possible. If you can, just manipulate the plug. And this is a nice plug. It's got a grip on either side. You can use your fingernails or a pry tool to wiggle that out of that port without having to pull on that wire too much. So here's your speaker bar on top of my screen, this long black bar here. It's held down by these 2 golden screws right there. Those are hex screws. And the wire runs over here and plugs into the motherboard right here. So just like the other wires, do not pull on these wires. Speaker wires are sometimes especially fragile, so just grab the grips on either side with your nails or a pry tool or a pair of pliers, but wiggle that out by only pulling on that port. I will have a replacement speaker bar option for you in that link I told you about below in the description with all of the replacement parts for this computer if you're needing help finding one. And I guess as a last side note about this kind of repair, if you're having any sound quality issues in your computer, if it's not consistent across different software, or if you can't get any sound at all, it could be that your speaker bar is bad and needs to be replaced, but it also could be a driver or a system issue. I will have a link above, also below in the description. It'll be a tutorial showing you how to make sure all your drivers are updated, your system is updated, so you may be able to rule that out before coming in here and trying an invasive repair like this. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your EliteBook 850 G5 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.